unboxing. A nice one. A nice one. Okay, so. Oh, okay, y'all, let me get mine. Y'all see mine. Isn't it cute? All chick. I'm gonna have to look up. Y'all know Miss Coco. We're gonna bring this down. We're gonna bring it down. So how is everyone doing on this beautiful, and I mean beautiful, early Tuesday morning? It is, y'all, it is early. Okay, so I'm doing it like this. So I just had, first, of course, I always give thanks to the Most High for waking me up. And now we're going to do this. And I had me some morning coffee. Y'all know what I got to, I think I'm going to pick up some Folgers. I think I'm going to pick up some Folgers coffee today. Y'all know I love my coffee. But I only drink one cup of coffee a day. And that's in the morning. Okay, what we got from TEMU? What we got from TEMU? One. Two. Oh, they sent me credit coupon. Okay. I'm not gonna show y'all the back because y'all ain't gonna be scanning my code, stealing. But then so I don't know if y'all been doing y'all reviews when y'all buy something off TEMU. But yes, always go to your once you purchase something from TEMU, go to the TEMU app and do your reviews. You never know, you might get a business deal one day. You never know. So this is my unboxing. Y'all, like I said before, I like sets. The only thing that I would buy individually is like a shirt or some, but I'm not going to buy something that I have to find something to match with it. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, so this is loungewear pants, y'all. Okay. I like them, y'all. Okay, let me I'm going to adjust the camera. We're going to bring the camera all the way up. And back, okay, y'all? Okay, so look. Yeah, so they're nice and long. So I'm going to do a try on. I'm going to do a try on as well. So y'all will be able to see this full view, okay, of them. Okay, and I'm sure these are large. Yes. Oh no, these are extra large. These are extra large. And of course they stretch, y'all. And the length is very good. It's right where it needs to be. Because I'm like 5'2". I'm 5'2". And I decided to go ahead and start purchasing some sets for the fall. Because the fall is here. And I just had to get some pink. I thought this was cute. And now this is long sleeve. Yeah. Long sleeve. But that's the back there. This is the front. I might wear this today. I might, depending on the weather. Because it was nice and cool yesterday. But the fall is coming in, so I'm going to be wearing it very, very soon. And it was definitely cool yesterday morning. It was definitely cool. So, okay, y'all. The next one we got. Now this is cotton and satin. Okay. And these are the wide leg. So, like I said, we're going to do a try on next. So y'all can see how everything fit. And what size did I get, y'all? Let's see. It's either a large or extra large. Sometimes I'm looking for the tag, y'all, to see what size it is. Okay, y'all know what? I don't even feel a tag in here. There's a tag somewhere. A dry clean, extra large, polyester and spandex, y'all. So this is going to keep me very warm during the fall and the winter. Yes, and this was what, $19.99, I believe it was? No more than $19.99. No more than $19.99, y'all. A nice set. And you don't have to worry about the quality of TEMU clothes, because TEMU is China and everything comes from China. Don't nothing come from America. Okay? So don't even question it. I never had a problem with anything from TEMU. So, I'm loving these pieces. So, thank you all for tuning into my unboxing video. The next video is going to be our try on video. We're going to try on both of these sets, and then we'll do a get ready with me video. Yeah, because if the weather is nice, and I'm sure it is nice, because I have a doctor's appointment. Well, no, not an appointment. I have to go and get an x-ray on my left ankle, because it is in so much pain, and the pain is going all the way up into my back, from my ankles to my back. So, from my heel to my back. So, the doctor put in an order for me to come in and get an x-ray. So, I'm going to leave early, because y'all know the VA opens around like 7:30. We open at 7:30. So, I'm going to go and get an x-ray done. I'm going to be the first one in, first one out. Yeah, because I'm an early bird. I'm already up, and it's like 3 o'clock in the morning. It is 3 a.m. Yes, y'all know I'm an early bird. So, yeah, so the next video, y'all stay tuned for the next video. We're going to try on both of these outfits. And then we'll do a get ready with me. We'll decide which one we're going to wear today to the doctor. Okay? Bye, babes.